Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add new image and video extension or Mime type using plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to add image or video new extension using plugin. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin and then in search plugin write enhance media library. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see setting and then you see Mime type, so click on it. So we are in Mime type and then you see extension Mime type, add filter, allow upload, and if you want you can create new image extension or video extension according to requirement. Now you see, now scroll up, you see button add new Mime type, so click on it and then you see new field generated. Now you see extension Mime type singular, add filter, allow upload. So we are going to add some data. So we added new image extension HEIC Mime type image slash HEIC, and then you see singular label same format, another label same format, then enable this option allow upload and then click on save changes. Now setting saved, now find HEIC, now you see, and then we are going to add video extension. Now scroll up, again click on add new Mime type and then you see video format. So we are going to add video extension OGG and then you see Mime type video slash OGG. Now copy and then paste here and then click on allow upload, enable this option and then click on save changes. Now setting saved, now find OGG, now you see. So in this way you can add new image and video extension using plugin in WordPress, so you can upload that file format. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.